Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. How my poor heart aches with every step you take, every single day, and every word you say, every king you play, every night you stay. I'll be watching you.
Oh.
Hey. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And today, let's see, what should be the Ojibwe word of the day? You know, for you guys who are new to the channel, this is what we do here. We think up Ojibwe words to teach for the day, and then we talk about Ojibwe culture. When the snow's on the ground, we tell the traditional stories.
Uh-huh.
And when when the snow's not on the ground, we tell the other stories. Because whatever. And so today, I thought I would tell this story of how the Anishinaabe came up with pointing with their lips.
Oh.
So one time, I was in college, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I brought some of my friends to a powwow. And these were non-Indian guys. These were Chamokamen.
Oh, yeah?
And old Paul comes up to me and he's like, "Hey, what's with your people here?" I mean, he didn't say it like that, but, and he goes, "It seems like a lot of people are making the kissy face." I go, "What are you talking about, the kissy face?" He goes, they're like, "Hey," I went up to this guy and I was like, "Hey, where's the bathroom?" And he goes, "Oh, it's over there." And he blew a kiss at the bathroom.
Oh, jeez.
I was like, "No, man, that guy was pointing." Because you see, in the Anishinaabe culture, it is considered very rude to point.
Mm-hmm.
You're never supposed to point at something or somebody. That's rude.
Yeah, huh?
So instead, we point with our lips. Somebody goes, "Hey, where's the bathroom?" We go, "Oh, it's over there." And that's how you do it. And so sometimes people ask me, "Well, what's up with that?" I mean, it's not just Anishinaabe. Everybody thinks it's rude. "Hey, you." So no one likes to be pointed at.
Right.
But in the in the Indian way, when you pass bad medicine, you you set it all up there. This is what I'm told. I don't know. I've never done this. But you set it all up there and you got a fire and the guy you don't like is across the fire. When you're ready to put some bad medicine on him, you go, and that's how you throw your bad medicine. So don't do that. It's mean. And don't do it at an eagle. When you see an eagle, you go, "Hey, BOOZHOO, Migazi." And you go, "Hey, look at that." See, I just did it. Look at that. Don't do that. You go, "Hey, look at that." There's an eagle. All right. So I don't know. You got anything you want to add here, sweetie?
No, that was good.
All right. So that was your Ojibwe cultural teaching for today. And the Ojibwe word of the day, GEGO, don't point. All right, well, hey, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is Natasha, even though she didn't say anything today. All right, well, hey, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Menawa, Hawa. I don't know, you think that was good for a show?
Oh, yeah, that was great.
See you later.